Alright, so I'm really excited today to bring you a new product that we just launched. And what is it? It's our low heat DTF transfer. This product is amazing. So in the next video, you're gonna get to see how we used it for this company, not-for-profit organization. They needed to get some promotional bags last minute, and we were able to say yes, and also jump in as a sponsor. We did about 300 bags. 300 bags. Was it 300 or 200? I can't remember, but it was a lot of bags. In the video, you'll get to see my assistant using it and hot peel every time. Now for small tags, I would say do a warm peel or at least test it until you get, that flow on when it's a good time to pull it. Anyway, let's get back to the story. You want to look at this product. If you are a crafter, broker, decorator, you generally get a lot of clients, bigger clients that's asking for 200-300, promotional bags, but the regular canvas bag might be too expensive. The screen printer is asking too much to do multiple colors. So a lot of time you have to walk away from that type of business. No more. This time you get to say yes to everything. If they want one color, you give them one color. If they want full color, you give them full color. But you never have to charge them for screens, multiple screens, 5 color, 6 color. Those days are gone. With the low heat DTF transfers, you'll be very excited. So take a look and we'll come back here to close this out. Let's go. Heat DTF transfers is ideal for the decorators who are looking for a product that they can offer to their customers when using traditional DTF just doesn't make any sense. That means that the product you're trying to press on, it will not take on a lot of heat. If you try to press it with high temperature heat, it will just melt on you. You don't know what I'm talking about, like your promotional canvas bag, promotional aprons, some of the lightweight stuff. Clients may walk in with something that's almost from China, virtually. If you put anything on it, it's gonna melt. Well, those products is worth for you to test it out. The decoration temperature on this product is 267 Fahrenheit for 9 seconds. Now, if you decorate, you can only imagine how cool this product is. Now, wasn't that exciting? You got to see the product in full action. Low heat DTF transfers are going to change your printing decoration life. So if you guys want to check out the product, at least sample it on a few things before you can actually go full on, go ahead and head over to the website and check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Again, guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. We don't have that much followers, and we're trying to grow to 1,000 followers. Of course, the more followers we have, the more we encourage to post more about DTF transfers, stickers, and anything else you want to learn more about. Be sure to comment below, and I'll be more than excited to come back and share that with you. Right? Until next time, guys, keep pressing.